Yo, what is up, family? Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, we've got a dope, super clean car meet. It's on like some Need for Speed, like old school, like when we were kids and you've seen like all the riced out cars and a couple super nice sports cars. It's one of those meets, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Here's some riding. Check out this sick clip of us all hauling ass on the freeway. Hopefully you enjoy.
Shorty got a range. She goes to every Laker game, no matter who they playing. My chick from the S roll blunts like a G. Best weed in the city, tryna get that girl my seed. Hold up, my Venice broad always on the boardwalk with a longboard hanging over at the surf shop. Yeah, my West LA girl, swear to God that she good as fuck. Chill, baby, be yourself, that's good enough.
So as you can tell, we're having a blast, just cutting up traffic. I can't remember exactly what part of town we all met up in. I want to say it was like the Peoria part of Arizona. If you guys have ever been to Arizona, you know, kind of like the Peoria area is in the middle of everything. But we all meet up, jump on the freeway, and we're just having a blast, man. Everyone's cutting up traffic. We're all being safe. Obviously, we're looking out for each other. A couple of the slower bikes in the back, but, you know, I'm not trying to, like, go extreme speeds because I remember I just got out of impound, so I'm cruising, having fun. Do a couple pulls here and there, nothing crazy. We finally pull into the meet spot, and it's honestly insane how many cars showed up to this meet. It was a grand opening meet for a car wrap company, so they were kind of getting their name out there, you know, had flyers all over the place, so we all pull up.
My shit right here. I give no fuck. Run me over. Hey, watch out, the Mustang.
Yo, we deep. Per usual. Down to the ruckus. Ah, fuck. That's crazy. I'm about to hit this ruckus. Are you leaving now?
Yeah, I'm moving.
Oh, okay. Fuck, my bike's heavy, dude. Jesus. Mustang doing Mustang thing. He's gonna hit like 3 cars on the way out. Yeah, he's on the leader bike. That shit's quick. We rode together. It was fast as fuck, boy. Oh, did I hit the ruckus? Oh, I am hitting the ruckus. That's fucked. Can I back him up, bruh? I don't want to be that guy, Tony, but I'm about to be that guy, dog. You're right, but I'm in his fucking, in the bolt in his fucking tire, in my tire. Thanks for the market, bro.
What would you recommend?
Have you rode before?
No. like a 300 or a 400, like an R3 or like
Start
a,
off small and then
yeah, work your way up. Or honestly, I would get a dirt bike if you've never like rode before for real. Dirt bikes are dope. You got the cunts. Get it? I cut my own hair, dog, or I would. I just cut my shit a couple days ago. Never that. Come on now. Come on, you know how he is. Big dog shit.
Yes, sir.
He blended them though. He blended them pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Oh, he brought the GoPro.
Oh yeah, I'm vlogging, dog. I'm vlogging. Out here. I'm on a bike.
They
So.
give you a card.
A card? Business card?
They didn't give you a card.
No.
Let me do the market. You cut your own hair? That's crazy. You want somebody else to cut your hair for you?
Nah, I'm good.
I've
I've been doing this since like 15, dog. Why am I stop now?
Because you can save time.
I'm gonna spend more money.
Now you sound like car insurance, so you can save time and money. Yeah, I'm like Geico in this bitch.
Nah. I've been trying to save money, bro. That shit
You cut your
expensive.
own hair though? Fuck that. I need my man to cut me up. That's why his name in my phone is Pussy Cuts. Because every time I get it cut, I get it. Let them know Monday through Wednesday all summer, anytime before 4,
Yeah.
it's $10 off any cut.
Okay, baby. I thought you were on the block. Alright, baby. Alright, you know it. Wide body. The ruckus looking clean. Do a burnout. You got a burnout? Ah. You see it, boys. You need a cut. Oh, she's wrapped? That's clean as hell. Can I get a shot of inside before you dip?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't even gotta get a hot. Just. Fuck yes, I said tonight, boss. He's clean with it. GTR. Beers. Beers in this bitch. Somebody's bagging. That's 2K. GTR. 270. My boy's got his marrow. Showing them the bands. Chrysler 300. Got the black cats on deck. Street Dreams team. And when I tell you we have the craziest vendors when it comes to car meets, we have guys that sell Hot Wheels, we've got frozen snow cones or frozen ice. Shout out to my shameless plug, Mr. Nice Ice. They even got barbers that come in and are willing to cut hair on the spot, give you business cards, the whole spiel. It's super enjoyable being out in the community, like just catching the vibe, chilling with all the guys. Everyone's got a like mindset. But we check out some sick cars. There's tons of cars. As soon as I get ready to leave, I'm like, let me just make sure I get a shot of everything. Hit on the 360 cam and just stroll through. Check it out. And it wouldn't be a car meet without revving at your boys. Like, obviously we all know, respect the spot, but you got to give your boys a hard time when you can. But this Audi R8 was super sick. Had to catch in the slow-mo with the iridescent paint, with this nice Supra parked right next to it. And there's a couple cars with even butterfly doors. This meet was insane. So we finally get around to the end of the parking lot, getting ready to head out. And of course, we look over to our right, and we see nothing but cars lined up. Like, it was stacked when we had got here. But by the time we left, we had took up the entire, like, shopping complex full of, like, pretty much full-blown race cars, if not race-style cars. But it was still pretty dope to catch everything. I love seeing meetups like this where everyone's just chilling, bro. Like, no drama, no beef. We're all just out having a good time. And, of course, I tried to hit a wheelie. Like, it's kind of like our signature as bikers when we head out. We either make an extreme, amount of noise or pop a wheelie, do a burnout. Something kind of, just to put a smile on everyone's face. But that's pretty much it for today's banger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. You enjoyed the meet. Hopefully I get to see you guys in the next one. Check out this sick wheelie I hit. But if you haven't already, please smash that like button. Freaking spam the subscribe button, repost, reshare, drop a comment down below. Hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Peace. Stay safe.